to my YouTube channel. So yeah. So today me I got do one prank for my mother. Like I cannot find something let me see image me see image do it funny YouTube channel. So make like try to do it. Make like try to do it because we just like find it fun. We find it fun video or something. So make a set up the camera now and oh yes guys, don't forget to if you're new, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I post videos. Also to smash that like button. Yeah, to smash that like button, comments below whatever y'all think. And let's set up the camera right now. Fishy, come.